One.
All right, so talking about our ELU now, here's your challenge brief. Many of us at some point in our upbringing had experiences with either building blocks or Legos, or possibly both. Some of us may have even loved playing with Legos and building blocks, or some of us may have been frustrated playing with them. The use of Legos and building blocks helps spark children's imaginations and creativity. I am challenging your group to use your imaginations. How can your group create a blueprint of building blocks that will create a masterpiece that can be recreated by children? So, if you're not aware, we actually are going on a little field trip with this ELU to actually create your blueprints. Okay. Um, there's our project standards, TEKS. You guys can read all that. Next, here are all your requirements. You're going to create a blueprint of your design. And yes, there's going to be certain specific shapes that you have to have in it with all specific measurements. You're going to be finding the lateral surface area, total surface area, and volume of each shape. You're going to create 2 booklets. One will contain your blueprint with all the mathematical calculations and stuff. And then the second will have all the detailed instruction on actually how to build it. You'll submit your booklets in physical form, but you can also turn it in electronically if you want to, but you don't have to. I will expect a physical form from everybody. You will also create a Google slide presentation that has research on each one of the shapes that we're going to be talking about in this unit. And you're going to also be making a originally made tutorial video solving lateral surface area, total surface, and volume for 2 of your different shapes. Yeah, you guys can read that. So here you have your pre-assessment, which we completed, which was the reading that I did. We have a few progress checks that we'll have along the way. Your post-assessment will be your research question slides, including that tutorial video, your calculations booklet, your instructions booklet, and you'll just have a quiz for this unit because the end product of your ELU will be basically a test grade. Just some options for products, so things you can make: castles, farm, elephant. Like I said, those are examples, not stuff you have to do. Those are the things you need. Now, when we get down to the wood, styrofoam, and 3D printing material, those are things that, because I was awarded a grant, I was able to get some money that's going to be used to purchase those things so that you guys don't have to go out of pocket. Here is the complete calendar for this ELU. Okay, so today you watched the video and you're watching this video. You'll also have homework. You'll have your notes number 43, and you're actually going to do your writing prompt since I'm not there today. Okay, so you're going to get that done. Then I'll reveal your teams though today, so don't you worry. And then just kind of straightforward. We do have map testing next week. That's when I'll be critiquing you guys. April 4-5. You'll do team crate on April 6th. You'll have a lot of time to create. Your booklets are going to be due the 16th, 17th. We'll actually share in class. On the 18th, 19th, you guys will have a quiz, and you'll begin your notes for the next unit. So on April 20th is when we're going on our field trip. Yay! So the shapes. Here are the shapes: prism, triangular prism, pyramid, cylinder, cone, sphere, and hemisphere. These are all the shapes that you need to have in your Google slide presentation for your research. In your actual creation, you must include a minimum of 6 prisms, 1 triangular prism, 1 pyramid, 2 cylinders, 1 cone, 1 hemisphere, and you do not have to have a sphere in this because it has to be able to stay stationary, and that's probably going to be really hard to figure out. So you don't have to have any spheres. Here's a whole lot of details of what's expected to be in your booklet. Okay. So the first booklet is basically all the calculations with everything, every single shape, You guys can read that. And then down here is your booklet number 2, requirements, which is the instruction booklet. Remember, we're trying to target a younger group of kids here, so your instructions need to be more picture-based than like wordy, FYI, okay? So your team consists of, drum roll please, third period. We got BN, Daniela, Garrett, and Becca. Then we have Alyssa, Daniel, Angela, and JoJo. And then we have Luke, Ethan, Trip, and Colin. Sixth period. Drum roll. We got Nathaniel, Ruben, Janice, and Nicole. Emma, Lily A, Mark, Cole, and Noah. So y'all got 5. Jake, Joseph, Sarah, Shadera, and Charlotte. Y'all also got 5. Madison, Lily J, Leon, Alexis, and Thomas. You guys also have 5. Yep, I can count right. All right, and last but not least, 9th period. Drum roll. We have Mohammed, Mikhail, Jose, and Cameron. Then we got Darian, Zach, Hayden, Emery. Then we have Sayla, Mandy, Devin, Austin. And then last but not least, Joyce, Dunya, Maddie, Shelby, and Madeline. So those are your teams. Don't be upset. You will survive, okay? One of your team members can see the substitute after I finish speaking, not now, sit down, and actually pick up your challenge brief, your ELU information. So I printed out everything for you just in case, but it will all be on Google Classroom as well, okay? And you guys are going to do this right now. So you're all going to need a Chromebook. You have a math writing assignment. You guys should already be familiar with this. You're going to go to your shared Google Drive, and you guys can read this, I know. And you're writing an essay explaining your general attitude about mathematics. And notice here, I give you a lot of things, if you can read, which I know you all can, to basically include in that essay. It needs to be close to a full page, double-spaced. If we don't have enough Chromebooks, can one of you fabulous people, maybe my head boy or head girl, go over to Coach Reeves' classroom to see if we can get some more Chromebooks? And this is your assignment for today. Make sure, again, you follow the directions and read. And behave, behave, behave. And I'll see you guys on Wednesday. Deuces.